What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be talking about Boss Cat Rocket Club. I'll be discussing what's happened with them recently and why I think people should stop sleeping on Boss Cat Rocket Club. But before we do that, just know that I'm not a financial advisor and nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. So, Boss Cat Rocket Club, huge collection with the number 4, 5 and 9 spots in the all-time CNFT volume ranks. This is a huge project and a lot has been happening. So let's dive into that. So I've covered Boss Cat Rocket Club before, and I've covered Boss Planet, which is their metaverse. And in the videos I mentioned the Vox Cats, which would be the character replicas of your Boss Cat Rocket Club NFTs in Vox form, similar to Sandbox. I'll leave that link in the description for you. This was a drop a couple weeks ago, and it was exclusively for all Boss Cat Rocket Club holders, and it is a one-on-one Vox counterpart. So say if you have the rank 1 Boss Cat Rocket Club, that was morphed into a Vox version. And like all the other releases, this was another successful launch with 10k total assets and a floor price of 280 ADA. Big sales, high volume, you name it. The team again have once killed this, despite the criticism that they got early on. They also partnered with some of the biggest projects in integrating them into the Boss Planet, which is their metaverse. Partnering with ADA Punks, Lazy Llamas, and as well as Chilled Kongs, which are another huge project in the top 10. Which is all great partnerships and another promising sign of the future of Boss Planet Rocket Club. Another huge bit of news is their news of their token, their very own token for their metaverse, which will be airdropped to all Boss Cat Rocket Club holders, which comes with a series of perks such as a full rocket of the Boss Cat Rocket Club parts and the top 1k holders receiving significantly higher daily token airdrop, and I presume daily airdrops for regular holders as well. This would be similar to the Sandbox token and Sand, as in this would be the currency of this metaverse, which will be used to trade assets and to interact in the Boss Planet, therefore creating value, which you can then exchange into ADA or just hold the Boss Planet token in itself. So this is awesome. This is pretty much tokenizing their metaverse. So if you don't have a Boss Planet land plot, you don't have Boss Planet rocket parts, you don't have a Boss Cat Rocket Club NFT for whatever reasons, whether they're too expensive for you now because the floors are quite high, or you just haven't got around to it yet, you can invest into this team and into this metaverse and into this NFT collection through their token, which will be on Sunday Swap soon and probably Min Swap and all the other Cardano decentralized exchanges. So I think this is really positive and an absolutely huge announcement. Through adoption of this metaverse, and say it's really successful, we'll likely see the value of this token go sky high. So because of this, I personally believe it could be advantageous to hold anything to do with this project at the moment because of the airdrops, which ultimately boost your investment significantly. Daily airdrops and all these kinds of things, the NFTs can pay for themselves. Similar to those projects like Dead Pixels, and most famously, Bored Ape Yacht Club and the ApeCoin, which their founder themselves in Blue Magic made a ton of. So this really could be a huge opportunity given the success of Boss Planet. They actually came out with this announcement today that the daily reward for each NFT has been accumulating as of December 18th, 2021, which was the very first Boss Cat Rocket Club release. Daily rewards are pegged to the NFT assets and not to the wallet which holds them. Whichever wallet holds the assets on the claim date will be able to harvest the full accumulated balance. You'll be able to claim this harvested amount on December 18th. And this reward program will run for 5 years. Soon they'll be revealing more information about their token staking and how you use the NFTs to enter different staking pools and earn additional tokens. They'll also be talking about their DAO and their foundation, which of course will be decided by the members. And you can see on their website, which I'll leave in the description, the accumulated reward for what rank your NFT has. So despite the initial hate and the initial doubts towards Boss Cat Rocket Club and their team that the CNFT community had, they just continue to blow them out the water and just continue to deliver consistently and brilliantly for every drop they do, and it's great to see. I do think Boss Cat Rocket Club is definitely a top 10 worthy project on Cardano, and I believe it will stay this way. It's very impressive what they've done, and I do think they'll continue this. Will Boss Planet be the number 1 metaverse on Cardano? Will the Boss Planet token absolutely skyrocket? It will skyrocket if it's the number 1, but who knows? There's plenty of competition, the Clay Nation metaverse, Pavia, and many more, but as a whole, I am bullish on Boss Cat Rocket Club. I do think it is a great project, and they just continue to hit things out the park. And I think it's definitely time to accept that if you are still a doubter of this project. Anyway guys, that's the end of this video. Let me know, are you bullish on Boss Cat Rocket Club? And if you are, let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, as well as follow me on Twitter at APE Crypto YT and my own project nerds and virgins. I'd appreciate that very much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time.